What's going on, guys? Cody from Motorcycle MD. I want to bring you guys something really quick on the weekly wrench this week about the #1 most missed spot on carburetors when you're doing cleanings. Clean this one right here, clean one of these for one of my members. 700 SC, really nice bike. This is off of a four-wheeler. Again, all the carburetors are going to have this type of adjustment to them regardless of what make or model. But it's this mixture screw right here. This one in particular takes a D-shaped bit. I'll see if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. Probably gonna spin the whole thing. Oh, there it goes. I love this little screwdriver. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. People tend to miss this mixture screw, and this plays a very, very important role when it comes to the idle and even deceleration backfired, to believe it or not. But see this tunnel right here. One thing I always stress over on my carb videos with the members when you're cleaning stuff is to really understand the layout of all these tubes and tunnels. Okay, you look at how straight these things are, straight there, they can only drill in straight holes, guys, so they plug them all up. So this mixture screw runs directly in line with the main and crosses over into the idle. Okay, so very, very, very important stuff, guys. Even these transfer ports down inside of here. Show you guys something. When I unveil this butterfly and pull it back, see those more and more holes are now being accessed? Guess what plays a role in that? This mixture screw. Don't leave this in here. Always take them out when you're doing cleaning. #1 missed spot on carburetors is that right there. If you guys are interested in any more of my carb videos, I do have some stuff that you can purchase actually and just knock out all of this all by yourself on a professional level. Nothing to it, guys. Cody from Motorcycle MD, bringing you guys quality tips and tricks in a really short video. Later.